Lone Mountain, Volvo, Pete, 2 white Freightliners. I got the key to this one right here. It's kind of surging on the idle a little bit, but my dad's got a Century, and it does the same thing. He said it's going to be doing it for 500,000–600,000 miles, but that's a very clean truck. That doesn't mean I'm not going to buy it. I think he said it has something to do with like one of those valves or sensors. But yeah, they put new rods all the way around, grease everything. There's another white Freightliner. It's a pretty truck. So right now, I'm taking it. I gotta go get one of my checks from Wells Fargo. Here you can kind of hear that in the idle. But a lot of those Freightliners, they do that. So, but yeah, right now I'm gonna go grab one of my checks and bring it back up here, and then after that, so we can get started on everything. And then after that, I'm gonna go get it inspected, and I don't know if I'm gonna do the dyno today. I might wait on the dyno. I kind of got my hands full. It's a little windy out here too. Let's see here. Train going by. But yeah, I'm gonna get my check first. CB sits on top. And then I'm going to inspect it thoroughly once I get over to the DMT, or the DOT place. Let's see here. Actually pretty clean here on the inside. I'm mostly, I guess, concerned with that idle. Seems like it's evening out a little bit. So, I guess let's drive it around the parking lot for a second. Yeah, before this I was in a Peterbilt 579, and it was an automatic, so it's been a little bit since I've driven a 10 speed or a 13 speed. Oh yeah, they got these, yeah, those are the new Kenworths. I guess those are the new trucks coming in. I'm not exactly sure what fleet they come from. I guess this is their shop over here. They bring them in, they service them. So yeah, this is the Lone Mountain yard right here. So yeah, right now I'm gonna I guess go get one of my checks really fast, and then I'm gonna head over to get it inspected, and if everything checks out on it, I'm pretty much gonna finalize the deal today, and then be in orientation on Monday for Landstar. So, but yeah, this is Lone Mountain. Truck looks good so far. The only concern is the idling, but like I said, my dad's got a truck. It's been doing that for 500,000 or 600,000 miles on it, and I don't think it's nothing to be too concerned about it. I think it might be just like a valve or like a sensor or something, but we won't know. We're gonna check it out and just go from there. So, but yeah, I told you guys I'd give you an update on the video, and yeah, so I got some things to do, and I'll check in with you guys later.